Okay guys, mount your camera on a tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. After that, you can now walk into the scene. Then you sit down. Before then, you must have positioned your mat and your chair. Then after some time, you can do any magic or anything you want. Then you leave it for a few seconds or minutes. After that, you can now walk out. All right. Then you go at one side of the camera and come back and squeeze this can. You can see what I am doing. Just take time, squeeze the can. After squeezing the can the way you want, you can now walk out. Okay.
Save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut.
Okay, welcome to this tutorial guys. At this point, you want to be clicking on CapCut. New project now. Import your video to workspace. Click on your video now and go and locate volume guys. Look for volume, click on volume now. Reduce it to 0, mark on this good and go back. At this point, you can decide to click on the video and expound it. That is if you like. This place is choice. So after that, before you walk in and sit down, we are going to be making another split. So click here now and make a split. Delete this first part. We don't need it again. So at this point, we go and locate before you stand up. Move the video before you stand up, okay? Before you stand up now, you are going to be clicking on the video again to make another split. Then you locate where you finish squeezing the can. Immediately you go out from the scene. Click on the video again, make a split, delete this center part. Then at this point, you click on this one now. Then you go and look for overlay. We want to overlay this one, guys. So click on overlay now. Thank you. So at this point, guys, I want to let you know that subscription is free. The purpose is so that you will be getting our videos or updates whenever we drop a new video. All right, so at this point, go and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. All right, locate your notification bell so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorial. And you need to support us to grow, guys. You know, we are here for you and you should be there for us. Welcome back to this tutorial. So at this point, you want to click on this second layer, the overlaid one, and drag it to a point. Then you come and locate that place where you shake your hand. Immediately you shake your hand, click it and take it there. And then you watch it very well, whether it rhyme, watch it whether they align. If they did not align, then you click it and make sure it's at the place where you shake your hand. Look at it now. So this is how the video will look. So you click on that second layer, the overlaid one. Then you go and look for mask, guys. Locate mask now. So you click on mask now, click on mask, click on circle, click on circle now. Then you circle this your can mode, circle it. After circling it, you just play with that feather icon, just drag it down a little bit. After dragging it down, you can mark on this good now and go back. So at this point, let us see what we have got. Let's play it from the beginning and see what we have got, guys. Just calm down and watch the video in case if there is any necessary adjustment, so you make your necessary adjustment. Look at it. So this video, at this point, you click on this background and look for freeze. You can see that the overlaid one is longer, so click on freeze now, then drag it and make it to align. After that, this video is ready. What will be remaining here now is to add your sound effect, your light effect, and every other effect. And after that, you can now export this your video to your gallery. But maybe you are saying, I don't know how to add those things. I want you to put me through. Don't worry. At the description of this video, my number is there. Just go and DM me. Then I'll put you through on how to add your necessary effects. And after that, you can now export your video to your gallery. Now you just click on export. Click on export now. Allow the video to export. Now it's exporting. Now this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing tutorials. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in our next video. Stay safe.